Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x is equals to x minus 7 times x squared minus 2x minus 8. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? To solve this kind of questions, we are going to find the roots of the polynomial. To do that, we will use factors. Each factor will be equal to 0 and we're going to solve for x. So we have given two factors for this polynomial. Let's make them equal to 0 and solve for x. So x equals 7 from the first one. In the second one, we will make x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. And we're solving for x. So the factors of 8 is 4 and 2. When you multiply your 4 and 2, you're supposed to get negative 8. And when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 2. Therefore, 4 will be negative. So this can be rewritten as x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. And each will be solved separately by making them equal 0. We add 4 this time. Each sides, this is 4, and take away 2 this time because they added 2 to x. So we have found that negative 2, 4, and 7 are the roots of this polynomial function 0. So the correct answer then, this polynomial has exactly 3 distinct real zeros, which is choice B for as an answer. Excuse me. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. I wish you good luck with your studies. Bye-bye.